Hey guys, a very quick tutorial on how to change the user account type on Windows 11. Even on Windows 10 you can do that, the same procedure. So here in the search icon just type user, and in the settings option you will find add, edit or remove other users. So we just need to click on that, and here you can see in your family or other users, here you will have your accounts. So let's say if I want to change this techie administrator from administrator to a standard or a guest account, so I just have to click on this change account type, and from here, from administrator to I can convert it to standard user. So if you have a standard user account and you want to make it a administrator account, you can do that. This will help for those people who are using standard user account, and when they are trying to install anything, it asks for a administrator account. And the same procedure you can do on Windows 10 as well. This is a Windows 11 computer. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.